Good morning. The block of mass m initially at x is equal to 0 is acted upon by a horizontal force F is equal to a minus bx square as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction between the surfaces of contact mu is mu. The net work done on the block is 0 if the block travels a distance of root of n into a minus mu mg by b. Find the value of n. So this is the diagram given. A force is acting like this. Here you have to observe it is a function of displacement. So you can use work energy theorem. So starting from it, the net work done. So the block of mass m initially at x is equal to 0 is acted upon by a horizontal force as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction between the surfaces of contact is mu. The net work done on the block is 0. So force work done by the applied force as well as work done by the frictional force. The net work done is 0. Then you have to find the value of n. So the given condition is work done you have to find. Work done is f is a function of x, means you can write dw is equal to f of x into dx. So you have to complete total work done. Total work done by the applied force integral dw, which is nothing but equal to integral a minus bx square into dx. So where is it is if you see the diagram, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to x. So you can integrate it from integral a dx minus integral bx square dx. So it is 0 to x. Here also it is also 0 to x. So it is a into dx means a integral dx. So it is 1 minus b into integral x square dx 0 x. Here also it is 0 to x. So a 1 dx is x minus b integral of x to the power of n. You can write integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus 1 3. So as the limits are given, we should not take a constant of integration. So this is the work done, and this is the work done by applied force. Next one is work done by frictional force. So I want to calculate work done by frictional force. What is work done by frictional force? Frictional force multiplied by displacement. Displacement is x. Already it is given. What is frictional force? Mu mg into x. Mu mg into x. So this is negative work done. So the total work done is equal to work done by applied force plus work done by frictional force is equal to 0. That is the given condition. So here we can write w is equal to ax minus bx cube by 3 minus mu mgx is equal to 0. So now you have to find the displacement. You can write a minus mu mg is equal to into x is equal to bx cube by 3 because it is 0. So this total equation is equal to 0. So you can write x square here. So a minus mu mg multiplied by 3 divided by b is equal to x square, or x is equal to root of 3 into a minus mu mg by b. So I compare this, you will get n is equal to 3. So block A is hanging from a vertical spring and is at rest. Block B strikes block A with velocity v and sticks to it. Sticks to it means it is inelastic collision, so that it is going to stick. Then the value of v for which the spring just attains natural length is root of nm by k into g, then the value of n. So here the diagram is given like this. So what is the condition? When you just hang this block m, then the spring will expand. So by using the force equation, we can find the elongation of the spring. What is the question given? So if this body B is moving with a velocity v, so that is having kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy will be converted into, or will be helpful to raise the block to its original length. So if it rises by a displacement of x, what is x? X is the elongation in the spring. Then what happens? It will go to its natural length. So kinetic energy must be equal to potential energy. Then I think we will get the answer. So we will try it. So this is a first condition. So let us see. The block M is moving upwards. So the block M is moving upwards. So how can you consider this block MV? So the kinetic energy is so first of all we have to find what is the velocity, combined velocity with which the two blocks are moving. So initially the body is moving with a velocity v, the momentum is mv. So when these two strike and they will stick together means the total mass will become m plus m, 2m. So 2m multiplied by v dash. So what is the velocity of the combined mass? So it is initial velocity v by 2. So this is the first condition you have to consider. And first one. Second one, only if you hang A, due to its weight it will come down. So this will be the elongation x. So this elongation is considered by the condition weight mg is equal to spring force kx, or x is equal to mg by k. mg by k. So this kinetic energy is utilized as the work done on the spring as well as increasing the potential energy. So I am using the work energy, law of conservation of energy. So half of m into I think 2m, half of 2m into, because two masses are moving, v dash means v by 2 whole square. This is the kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is utilized to increase the potential energy. So these two systems are moving by a distance of x. When it becomes its natural length, so these two blocks are raised by a height of x. So they will come to original position. So 2mg into x plus potential energy is stored as half of kx square. So that is also you can consider. So if you solve this equation, you will get the value of v. So m get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So it is m into v square by 4 is equal to 2mg. So I want to convert this in terms of x. X is mg by k plus half of k into mg by k whole square. So it is 2m square g square by k plus half of k into m square g square by k square. It is mv square by 4. So you can cancel m on both sides. So I can consider one more thing. So here it is 3. Is it 3? Okay. So there is no 2 no. So it is 2k square. Okay, 1k is also get cancelled. So first of all, mg square by k we will take it as common. So then it is 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to v square by 4. v square by 4 equal to 2 2s are 4 5. Okay, mg square by k half of it is also 2m whole square.
Gravitational force is negative, that is minus 2mgx. Then you will get the answer. So you substitute in the place of 2mgx, you take it as minus 2mgx. Okay, and you continue, so that you will get the correct answer.
Equal to mg square by k into 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 10 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. If you see the answer,